No, I didn't know that. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to math. So today we're going to learn some geometric shapes. Does anybody know what a geometric shape is? No?
No.
I think those who were in first grade with me last year.
I forgot.
I know.
So we have regular shapes like circles and squares, rectangles, triangles. Those are our regular shapes. But we have what's called geometric shapes, which are like 3D shapes. Okay.
Yeah.
So these shapes are different because they have multiple faces and multiple sides. Usually when we look at a square, it only has like one face. It's a regular shape. But now we will learn about geometric shapes, okay? So we're going to go ahead and talk about a few of them. So let's start with the first one, which is called a cone. Has anybody seen a cone before?
Yes.
So this is a cone. And so a cone has only one face, and the face would be at the bottom. But a cone is circular, so it's like a circle with, you have the bottom of it. So this is more an example of a cone, also like an ice cream cone as well. So this is what we call a cone. So usually you can draw it with a triangle, and then you can have a circle at the bottom. So if you have a loose leaf paper, you can try that out, how to draw it, a cone. So you'll do it like this.
Know how to draw a sphere.
So yeah, and then I put a curve on the bottom. So that's a cone. So
I know how to write a cone.
So cone, C-O-N-E, cone.
A cone.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, are we ready for the next one?
Yes.
Okay, so our next shape is called, well, let me show it to you. Who knows what this one is called?
Cube.
Cube. This is a cube. Okay, so a cube is different. A cube has 6 faces. Okay, you have a top, a bottom, that's 2, and then you have 4 sides. So a cube has 6 faces. So usually a cube is like a box. Most of the time when we think of a cube, we think of a box. Okay,
I know how to draw one.
Good. Does anyone know how to draw a cube or not quite?
Yeah.
Yes. So if you can draw one, go ahead and draw one.
Okay. Hold up. I'm gonna see if I can remember how to draw it.
Okay, and I'll show you how. If you don't know how, I can give you instructions on how to do it.
Please. I need. Or maybe I don't know.
Okay, so well, I'm about to show you on the screen. If not, it's okay if you don't know how. I'll show you on the screen, okay?
This is the best I can do.
So if you want to learn, then you might need to practice. Please don't make noises. Thank you. All right, so this is how you draw a cube. If you don't know how, then you can follow the instructions here. So you start off with 2 squares. So you do your first square, and then you'll do your second one. But your second square will kind of go inside of your first. Do you see how I kind of did it like that? That's how you draw your first 2 squares. So go ahead and try that.
Okay.
All right, we're good on that?
No, ma'am.
Not yet?
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I did that. Yes, ma'am.
Wait.
I'm not rushing. You have time. I'm not rushing it.
I messed
Okay.
up.
So once you have your 2 squares like this, now you will connect the lines to make it into a cube, which will be like a 3D shape. So look at the top of this square here. I'm going to connect this line to this top. Okay. You see, you can kind of already see that it's looking like it's 3D.
Yep.
Yeah.
It looks like a diamond that's holding a flag up.
I don't know about that. But okay, so next part, let's go to the bottom, and I'm going to connect this part to this part. We see that?
Yes.
Okay.
Ooh, I can see it.
Yep, you can see it as you draw. You can say, okay, next I'm going to go inside this square, the square that's inside the other, and I'm going to go to the bottom of it, and I'm going to connect it to this part of the square.
Made one.
You can continue to see it. Do you see it more now?
Yeah.
I made it.
It kind of looks like a chair.
I can see the
You
chairs too.
see they have a
All right,
white.
and so the final line will be the top here, and then I'll connect it inside, and that's your cube.
I made one.
Good.
I got it.
So that is how you draw a cube. C-U-B.
I can draw a house in 3D.
I got it.
So a cube has 6 faces, okay? You have 2 on the, you have 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom, and 4 all the way around. That gives you a total of 6. All right, so let's move on to our next shape, which will be, does anyone know what this one is called?
Here.
A sphere, yes. So a sphere kind of reminds us of a ball, pretty much. So this one is pretty easy to draw when it comes to drawing this one. The only thing that makes it different is when you make it into a 3D shape. So this is a circle. Oh, that's bad. Hold on, let me try again. Yeah, okay, so let me slow down to make a good circle. Okay, so here we go. So I'm gonna put a line here. And then this one will be like dots to show the 3D part. See that? So this is a sphere.
Is that a basketball?
So who knows how many faces a sphere has?
0.
None. This is a circular shape, so it has no faces at all. So this is a sphere. Good job. Thank you for those who are writing them down. You will see them in your book, and they'll be on your test. And you do have a page in your book, but that's, you know, something else.
Did that.
Yeah.
Here.
I don't know. So I just did it like this.
So you just draw a circle, and then you put a straight line like this, and then you do the dotted line above it. That makes it the 3D effect.
Okay.
Good. I'm looking at your shapes. They're looking good. Make sure you put the name by it as well.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, so let me go back over it. So this was a cone.
Yeah.
Oh.
This was our cone.
Yeah.
My comb is bad.
Has 3
I think I made
faces.
mine a little too
One.
big.
Cone has 1. The bottom, that base part. So let me put it right here so that you can know. A cone has 1 face. So
Yeah,
next we
that's
did the cube. The cube has 6 faces.
Yeah.
And then we have the sphere, which has 0, none. Because it's a circular shape, there aren't any faces. 0.
Hold on, let me write sphere.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Alrighty.
Miss Lucas.
Yep.
Mama, I kind of like a 3D house.
Yeah. Cool.
Let me I wrote them all.
Okay, are we ready to go on?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's move on to the next one. Look at this one. Can anyone tell me what this one is? Wait, I think somebody said it. Say it again.
Sphere.
No, we just did a sphere.
Cylinder.
A sphere was
Cylinder. This one is a cylinder.
Oh, yeah.
So a cylinder is like a rectangle with 2 circles, okay? So let's go ahead. So I'm not the best with the cylinder, but we will work it out. All right. So then, okay. And so, ooh, a cylinder is more like a can. You know, a can of beans or something?
Yeah, but when you
Yes,
put it
of course I know what it
when you put it sideways, it's like a Nintendo Switch.
Okay, yeah.
Nintendo
So, yeah.
I see it. I see it.
All right. So this is a cylinder. So cylinder, C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Cylinder.
Long.
It has 2.
It has 2.
Yep. Well, I was getting to that, but yes, it does. It has 2 faces. That top and that bottom. That's their faces. That's the faces.
Hold on, let me spell cylinder.
It's perfect. It's beautiful.
Does look like a 2.
I think I made a
The
little too
cylinder
long.
has 2 faces.
Okay.
And now I need to make the line longer, which takes
I get mine. I really don't get yours yet.
I got the cylinder and it has 2 faces.
Got the cylinder.
The cylinder has
Or it looks like a swing.
faces.
My cylinder looks like a swing.
Wait, it's like it's going penny. C01, then 26.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, are we good on the cylinder?
Yeah.
All
Yeah.
right, so now this one. Let's see who knows the name of this one.
Rectangle.
Let me see. Hold on. Wait. If you know it, raise your hand. If you think you know what this one is called. Okay, Omar, what you have? Whoa. Okay, anybody else? No? Jordan, what do you think?
A square. A rectangle.
It does have the name rectangle in it. You're close. Anybody else? It's called a rectangular prism.
Oh, a
Rectangular prism.
What?
Okay, so let's draw this one. So this one is similar to how we drew the cube, except now we're doing it with rectangles, okay? So the cube we did with squares. This one we'll do with a rectangle. So you draw your 2 rectangles first, like how we did with the square, the cubes. Okay.
Done.
Make some space. Make some space.
Yeah, let's make some space.
Okay, do you see? Yeah, you need a little bit of space for this one.
Okay. I got it.
Got it.
Okay.
Raw.
I'm just following.
I already see it.
You see it? Yep, you can kind of see. So now let's connect the lines. So I'm up here. Let's connect this line. Okay, I connected on the side here. Some of you aren't drawing these shapes. So that means whenever you take that test, you better have every single one of them correct for those who are not drawing the shapes.
I
All right, so now I'll go to the bottom here. I'll connect the bottom.
did it.
Addy?
I didn't say.
Austin. All right, I'm gonna connect the top here.
I think
And I'll connect the bottom down here. So that's your rectangular prism. So let me write. So this one will be a long word to spell. So rectangle. A lot of sounds in there. Rectangular. And then prism. Ooh, that's a bad line.
Yikes.
Yes, that's really bad.
Yeah.
I saw myself when I said bad.
Okay.
Okay, rectangular prism. So does anyone know how many faces a rectangular prism would have? It would have 6, just like the cube has 6. This one has 6 as well. Rectangular prism.
Oh. I got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So this is the rectangular prism.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I love this.
Yes.
Okay, everybody has it. Are we ready for the last one? Not yet?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yes.
Yes.
A
Yes.
at the last rectangle. Is that an F or an R?
It's an R.
Where? I don't. Probably right here. That's an R.
That's an
Yeah, I
R.
think that's an R.
Yes.
Yeah, there's no R. There's no.
Yes, we know. Yeah, we know there isn't an F, and he did ask me. Thank you. There's only one Miss Flugence. I don't recall there being more than one.
Yep.
You're just saying this now. Whoa, wow. Shapes. Hey, Miss Fusion.
So I've got another one.
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm ready.
I am ready.
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 Okay, so this one is super easy. I know everyone will know this one.
It's called
Charisma, Rex.
Oh,
Rectangle.
pyramid. I don't know. I think I heard something different. Yes. So this is a pyramid. So I mean, you can tell a pyramid is made up of which shape?
Triangle.
Triangle. So it's a bunch of triangles put together. All right. So let's go ahead and draw the pyramid. So this is another one Miss Flugens isn't the best at, guys. So we will just work it out. So this is a triangle.
And this is a triangle. No, triangles are easy to draw. Extensions.
Oh, it's more like a pyramid.
Where are you going?
Okay. So that's the best I can do, but you get that it's a pyramid.
I got it.
All right.
Got it.
I
The
don't.
pyramid.
I'm a-
Pyramid. Pyramid.
Finish one there. I am done.
Wait, did we?
Wow, I did a lot. I only put some in the square so I can separate them.
Wasn't pyramid our spelling word?
Mhm.
Pyramids are only one.
Okay, so who knows how many faces a pyramid has?
3.
One.
No.
Three.
Mm-mm.
Then two.
3. 4. 5.
5. I was waiting for it.
Yes.
So it has 4 sides, and then you have your bottom. So that's 5. I don't know who said it. I think it was Jordan who said 5.
Yes.
So I mean, we can't tell because of how this one looks, but yeah. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. But remember the pyramids in Egypt. So let me see.
Great.
I really want to go to Egypt to see them.
I didn't even finish.
So yeah,
I don't
see,
really want
that's like an example. So it has 4 sides, 1, 2, and then you have 2 on the other side, and then the bottom 5.
Ooh,
Scared of
I-
Egypt.
I want
You're scared of Egypt.
The people who lived in there
Egypt,
died.
but I'm not scared of Egypt. I kind of want to go to Egypt actually, but I don't want to go.
It's probably hot over there.
It is. It is very
Yeah,
hot.
that's the only
It's
reason.
always hot.
All right, good job, guys. So did everyone get it?
Yes.
Okay.
I got them all in there.
You have them all. All right, so we have, let's go over them again. We have cone, 1 face, cube, 6 faces, sphere, 0, cylinder has 2, a rectangular prism has 6, and a pyramid has 5 faces. All right, so could you find a clean sheet of paper, and we will continue on with math. So guys, Miss Flugens is grading the test. We had a lot of subtraction last week. And yeah, we need to practice that a little bit. So some people are doing really well, yes, but I'll just practice so that we can continue because it's, we can do it on the Zoom, but we have to make sure we can do it in our books as well whenever we run across it in our books. And so also just make sure when you're doing your work that you are not rushing, especially on a test. Take your time. Yes.
Is this Zoom doing like the whole homework for today?
Not everything. You still have to do your pages after we're done. I just go over, everything with you.
When I'm done, I have lunch. So after the Zoom, I have lunch.
That's good. It's just like if we were in school. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and do some addition and some subtraction. Okay.
Yep.
All right. So let's get rid of this. All right. Let's start with addition. So I'm going to put up 3 facts. And then we'll start there.
For math, so my mama know what I did for today.
Okay. Wow, somebody's watching TV?
Wow.
So let me go ahead and show you your facts. All right, so go ahead, all 3. I'll give you a minute and a half. If it's okay if you don't finish all 3, we're gonna go over it. Just do as many as you can, okay? So please watch your numbers. These are addition. We are adding.
Yay!
Okay, we got about like 30 seconds. It's okay. You know, it's okay if you don't finish. We are gonna go over it. Just do as many as you can.
Can everybody mute themselves because I can't concentrate?
Nobody's even saying anything. All right, so let's kind of go over them. It's okay if you're not done. So the first one, 45 plus 24. Would anyone like to walk us through this one? All right, go ahead, Bailey. Unmute.
So first, you add 5 plus 4.
Good. So 5 plus, oh, yeah, I was about to write it. Yes, 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay.
And 4 plus 2 equals 6.
Who had 69?
Not me, I couldn't finish.
Okay. All right, let's go ahead to the second. Good job, Bailey. Thank you. 38 plus 67. Okay, this was a carrying. All right, Cullen, walk us through this one.
So start from the back.
Okay.
2 plus 8 equals 10. So you put the
Wait,
zero.
this one. Second one. 38 plus 67.
Oh, okay. 8 plus, so start from the back. 8 plus 7 is 15. So put
Good.
the 5
Good. I put the 5. Where do I put my 1?
at the top.
Good. To make 15.
Yeah. So 1 plus 3 is 4.
Good.
And 6 is 10.
Good. So 105. Now this was regular numbers, so you could have just put 105. But how would I write this if this was money? How would I have written this? Just 105, 105 cents. How would I write it? Who can tell me how I should, if this was money? What should I put? Chaz?
$1.05.
Yes, it would have to be $1.05. Good. All right. Last one. Anybody would like to walk us through the last one? All right, Josiah.
So 2 plus 8 equals 10.
All
You're
right.
gonna put the 0, carry your 1 on top of the 1, and then 1 plus 1 equals 2. And 2 plus 9 equals 11. So 110.
Who had that? 110 for those who were able to finish. Good job. Awesome. Okay, it's okay if you didn't finish. All right, let's practice subtraction. So this is where it gets different.
This is where Trading.
I love it.
I'm bored.
Oh, of course you're bored.
That doesn't work still.
go to another page with this one. I'm still looking. See.
All right, so let's go ahead and subtract.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this is gonna be easy. What was the? Wait.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
Good luck. Relax. Right.
All right, would anybody like to walk us through the first fact? All right, Cadence.
Okay, so 7 minus 2 is 5. And 6 minus 3 equals 3.
Awesome. So we did not have to carry for this one because 7 was bigger than 2. So this was just a regular subtraction. Everybody got that? 35?
Yes.
Okay, I gave a lot of time, so hopefully you were able to. Okay, next one, 82 minus 46. Would anyone like to walk us through this one? 82 minus 46. All right, Austin, go ahead.
Hold up. I need to write 4. Wait, no, that's 3. Okay, so 2 is less 6, so we need to trade.
Okay, yes, because I cannot do 2 minus 6, so I need to trade. So how do I trade?
So you X out the 8 and
I'm
then
taking 10 away. It turns to,
7.
where do I add the 10? To the 2, and it becomes what?
12.
Good. So now can I subtract? Is it big enough?
Yes.
All right, so subtract.
So 12 minus 6 is 6.
Good.
And 7 minus 4 is 3.
Good. 36. Who had 36?
I did.
All right.
I did it too.
I don't know where I'm hearing the okay. All right. All right, let's do the next one. 31 minus 19. Who would like to walk us through this one? Okay, all right, go ahead, Bailey.
And isn't big enough.
Okay, 1 is not, I can't do that, so what do I need to do?
So you need to
Cross out the 3, trade. This turns into a
2.
2. Okay, I add 10 to the 1, it becomes
11.
good. Now can I subtract?
Yes.
All right, so what would I do?
9.
11 minus 9.
11 minus 9 equals 2.
Good.
Minus 2 minus 1 equals 1.
Good. 12. That was a small number. Good. Thank you. Anyone had 12? Who had something different than 12?
I had 12.
Hopefully everybody had the correct answer. 12.
You cannot do it like in order. 35, 36, and 37.
I don't
Everybody would know the
understand.
answer. Everybody would know the answer. Well, me.
Okay. All right. Good job, guys. Okay. So after our Zoom, you will do page 101A. So we are in the hundreds. So we are moving along.
We're in the 200.
Well, yeah, in our
200s.
lessons, we're on 101. Okay, so let's go over a few of our multiplication facts. We did times 10. Remember, whenever you're doing multiplication, you are saying groups of. So whenever I say 5 times 10, that's 5. That X means times groups of 10. So let's go ahead and practice a few. So who can tell me what 10 times 4 is? What is 10 times 4? Cullen.
40.
What about 10 times 3? Chaz, unmute.
30.
30. What about 10 times 9? Cadence.
90.
What about good? What about 10 times 7? Austin.
70.
What about 10 times 1? Omar.
10.
What about good? What about